off these Vortec heads when it was on the budget build 350. We're all reusing the same stuff, especially even the
Welcome to Vintage Vehicle X-Ray. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the heart of one of the most iconic engines ever built, the 350 small block Chevy. Released by General Motors in 1967, this engine became a powerhouse, not just in muscle cars, but also in trucks and even some larger vehicles. It was a symbol of performance, durability, and American engineering. The 350 small block isn't just an engine. It's a part of automotive history, and it continues to hold a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts today. But what is it about this engine that still makes it so relevant, so loved? Let's explore. The 350 small block Chevy was a turning point in the automotive world. Back in 1967, when it was first introduced, there were plenty of engines with bigger displacement, but the 350 stood out for its combination of power, size, and versatility. It offered an impressive amount of horsepower and torque in a compact and lightweight package, making it ideal for a wide range of vehicles. This engine wasn't just for performance cars. It was used in family sedans, trucks, and even police cars, proving that it could balance power with practicality. People didn't just drive it. They lived with it, trusted it, and depended on it. And that's why the 350 small block Chevy remains one of the most beloved engines in automotive history. Why does the 350 small block Chevy still matter today? It's not just about its performance in its heyday. It's about how it shaped the future of engines and cars. For many, it represented a time when cars were simpler but still packed with power. It wasn't about fancy electronics or high-tech components. It was about an engine that could be serviced, tuned, and modified by just about anyone with the right tools and know-how. It was reliable, it was powerful, and it was straightforward. For enthusiasts, that simplicity is part of the charm. Even today, you can find 350 small block engines in classic car restorations, hot rods, and even modern custom builds. It's an engine that has stood the test of time not just because of its performance, but because of its legacy. When you think about the 350 small block Chevy, it's hard not to think of the people who relied on it. From the mechanic in the garage to the father teaching his son how to change the oil, this engine was a part of everyday life. It was in the hands of car owners who were passionate about performance, but also in the hands of people who just needed a dependable vehicle to get them through the day. The Chevy Camaro, the Chevrolet Impala, the C10 pickup, these vehicles were all powered by the 350, and they weren't just machines. They were trusted companions in the lives of the people who drove them. Families relied on these engines for their daily commutes. Taxi drivers used them to get passengers to their destinations, and farmers depended on them to carry heavy loads. The 350 small block Chevy wasn't just a piece of machinery. It was a part of people's lives. The design of the 350 small block Chevy is one of the reasons it became such a staple in the automotive world. From the outside, the engine had a simple yet muscular appearance. The intake manifold, often painted in bright orange, stood out against the black engine block, while the valve covers bore the proud Chevrolet logo. It had a distinctive look that made it instantly recognizable, whether it was nestled under the hood of a Chevy Camaro or a Chevrolet C10 truck. The engine was compact, yet powerful, and its robust construction made it ideal for a variety of vehicles. It wasn't just a pretty face, though. The design of the 350 small block was meant for performance. The V8 engine was lightweight but capable of producing substantial power. Whether it was on the road or on the racetrack, this engine always stood tall, ready to deliver the goods. When you dig into the history of the 350 small block Chevy, it's clear that this engine was built with one thing in mind: practicality. Manufactured in Flint, Michigan, the 350 small block was produced with durability and simplicity at the forefront. The engineers who designed it were focused on creating something that could handle the toughest conditions while still being affordable and easy to maintain. The casting process was refined to create a lightweight yet strong engine block that could endure miles and miles of driving without issue. It was meant to be something you could depend on for years, even decades, with minimal fuss. The engine's design philosophy was simple: simplicity, durability, and ease of service. Metalmen, in an era when many cars required complex systems to maintain, the 350 small block Chevy stood out for its ability to be serviced by just about anyone, anywhere. One of the most iconic moments in the life of the 350 small block Chevy came in 1967 when it powered the Chevrolet Camaro to its debut. At the time, the Camaro was Chevrolet's answer to the Ford Mustang, and the 350 engine played a crucial role in making it a true performance contender. The combination of the small block's power and the Camaro's sleek design made for an unforgettable moment in automotive history. But the 350 wasn't just about speed and power. It was about versatility. It wasn't just in muscle cars. It was found in trucks, taxis, and even military vehicles. Its historic role in the Chevy Camaro marked the beginning of a lasting legacy, one that would continue for decades to come. The 350 small block Chevy wasn't just an engine, it was a workhorse that powered some of the most iconic vehicles of the 20th century. Whether it was hauling heavy loads in a Chevrolet C10, taking families on road trips in a Chevrolet Impala, or taking part in thrilling drag races, the 350 small block proved itself time and time again. It wasn't just an engine that sat under the hood. It was an engine that was part of people's lives. It worked hard and played hard, always delivering when it was needed. From the Chevrolet Corvette to the Chevy Tahoe, the 350 small block was a mainstay in American vehicles for decades, offering the perfect balance of power, reliability, and performance. Inside the engine, the 350 small block Chevy featured a V8 layout with pushrods, a single overhead cam, and a displacement of 5.7 liters. It was a simple but effective design, perfect for both performance and everyday use. The engine's torque curve was smooth, making it ideal for everything from quick acceleration to long-distance cruising. The engine's reliability was one of its strongest features, and it was built to withstand a wide variety of driving conditions. With a compression ratio that could handle high performance, the 350 delivered power smoothly and efficiently. And with an engine that was so easy to maintain, it quickly became a favorite of enthusiasts and mechanics alike. When we compare the 350 small block Chevy to other engines of its era, it's easy to see why it stood out. Engines like the Ford 302 and the Chrysler 318 were competitors, but they didn't quite offer the same combination of performance, adaptability, and aftermarket support that the 350 did. The 350 small block was versatile, easy to modify, and dependable. While other engines may have been equally powerful, they didn't quite match the 350's ability to be serviced by just about anyone. The aftermarket parts and modification options available for the 350 made it a standout in the engine world. The simplicity and reliability of the 350 small block Chevy are two of the reasons it has lasted for so long. Even after decades of use, people are still driving vehicles powered by this engine. It's a testament to the durability of the design and the fact that it was built to last. Whether it was the casting quality, the simplicity of the design, or the fact that parts were always easy to find, the 350 small block has proven to be one of the most enduring engines ever built. It wasn't just a product of its time, it was a product that transcended time, remaining relevant for generations of car enthusiasts. Here's one memorable fact about the 350 small block Chevy. Despite being introduced more than 50 years ago, the engine is still in production today, powering vehicles both old and new. Its legacy lives on, and it remains a key part of the Chevrolet engine lineup, whether in custom builds, restorations, or modern muscle cars. The 350 continues to make its mark on the automotive world. The 350 small block Chevy represents everything we love about vintage vehicles. It's a symbol of power, reliability, and simplicity. It's the engine that has powered countless vehicles over the years, from muscle cars to trucks, and it continues to live on in the hearts of car enthusiasts. We love these machines, not just for their performance, but for what they represent. A time when cars were built to last, when they had character, and when they were a part of people's everyday lives. Here at Vintage Vehicle X-Ray, we look inside these machines not only to study their mechanics, but to remember what they meant to the people who drove them, built them, and kept them going. Our mission is to celebrate the legacy of these vehicles, to honor the work of the men and women who engineered them, and to share the passion that drives the vintage vehicle community. We hope you enjoy the journey with us, and we can't wait to dive into more stories of the cars and engines that shaped our world. Thank you for joining us. And as always, we love vintage cars, and we love our viewers for being a part of this journey. See you next time.